the garbage? You pull it out of there. Did you put it in the garbage? Emery. No, you leave my computer alone. No. And the skull. You leave the skull alone. No. You gonna throw that in the garbage? Go throw it in the garbage. Go throw it in the garbage. Are you blowing your nose? Okay, go put it in the garbage. Alright. What are you doing? Say hi. Emmy, what's the duck say? What's the cow say? What's the owl say? What's the monkey say? No, what's the monkey say? Oh, what's Emery say? Oh, you say that? Yeah? Yeah, can you sing for us? Are you singing? Are you okay? Can you sing?
Can you turn the flashlight on too?
Oh, how?
If you go back to the previous screen.
Oh, okay, well. You're hitting your head. So this is Emery at, what time is it?
It is
10 to 9. I think most kids are in bed at this time. Not this one. You're gonna fall backwards. Emery, what's the duck say? Quack, quack? Quack, quack. Yeah. Oh. Can you say bye? Here, can you say goodbye? Say bye.